Another simple, easy recipe with no carbohydrate. I'm going to do a high protein vegetable stuffed mushrooms for this recipe. I'm using about 7 mushrooms and I'm using portobello mushrooms and 250 grams cream cheese, 2 capsicums, 1 onion, and few pickled cucumbers. You can omit if you don't like a bit of sourness in it, and 2 eggs, few cloves of garlic, and some Parmesan cheese, about 2 cups of spinach, salt and pepper to taste. If you don't want to add any eggs, you can omit eggs and add a bit of breadcrumbs to it so it gathers everything together, or just omit eggs completely. So let's start. First, let's take the stem out from the mushroom like this. You can twist and take it out. Then chop the mushrooms finely. I'm going to chop the garlic, then the onion, and then the capsicums, now the spinach. If you like, you can cook this with a bit of butter. If not, add that into a bowl. Then going to add the eggs into it. Then add enough salt and pepper to taste and mix. Chop the cucumbers finely too and add into the mixture. Next, let's add the cream cheese. It's really cold here, so I'm going to put this in the microwave for a while before adding into it. Now pack the mushrooms on a tray like this and spray some oil. So after, add the cream cheese to it. And mix. Now spoon the mixture onto each mushroom like this. And going to grate some Parmesan cheese on top. And this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. So I finished baking the mushrooms and this is how it is. So the mushrooms are ready and this is how it is. So let's take one and see. Soft, nice and moist mushrooms that you can serve with some chili oil on top or some chutney or any other sauce as you wish. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.